Hey guys, it's cocktail time. I'm Marcel and today I will show you how to make a cocktail called Garibaldi, which is very simple. Maybe the easiest cocktail I'm making a video about because you only need two ingredients. It's Campari and the orange juice. So it's super simple, right? But today we're gonna make it slightly different. We're gonna make a same version like they make at Dante in New York City. Guys, Dante is an amazing bar that was named as the best cocktail bar in 2019 in the world. So that's something, right? It's of course it's need to say that it's Italian bar. So they really know how to master Italian or how to work with Italian ingredients. So guys, Garibaldi was a revolutionary in Italy who helped to unify all Italian regions together and basically start unified Italy or united Italy. So we have a representative of a north, Campari from Milano, and from the south, from Sicily, wonderful oranges that I fresh squeezed before that. What's unique about Garibaldi from Dante? What they do, they make a fluffy orange juice. Right now, it's not fluffy; it's just classic liquid orange juice, right? But how you make it fluffy? You have to bring air into it. So that's why we're gonna need a blender, guys. You can use a classic blender like I have, or you can use that hand blender. All right. So guys, we start with the Campari. We need 1.5 ounces, 1.5 ounces of Campari. So guys, we serve this drink into the highball glass. It should be a little smaller highball glass than I have here, but this is gonna work perfect for us. And now we're gonna blend that orange juice and bring some air into it. Here, but what you create with the blend is that beautiful fluff and beautiful foam. So I will show you from better angle. Maybe I take a little sip first. Oh yeah. Guys, so this is our Garibaldi. Amazing, like I say, quite a light drink with a very powerful and bitter finish. Cheers.